What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger because we're gonna be talking about the 5 best modifications that I've come up with as of now. So I love to make these videos and you guys love to watch them apparently, so we're gonna make another one. In my most recent modification video, I talked about the 3 worst modifications that I've done. A lot of people had some pretty bad ones and I thought they were super funny. You live and you learn, and well, today we're done with the broccoli, we're done with the vegetables, we're on to dessert. We're on to dessert, baby. So this is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5. This thing is an absolute beautiful truck. One thing that I'm noticing right now, this is actually insane. As the motorcycle speeds off in the distance, look how dirty that front wheel is compared to the back. It's crazy. Disc brakes, drum brakes, disc brakes, drum brakes. I don't know. If you're at all interested in today's video, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Guys, we're almost at 2,500 subscribers. Why are you so amazing? Like, why are you subscribed to my channel? Why do you watch my videos? I don't know, but thank you so freaking very much. I appreciate every single one of you guys like you don't even understand. We're gonna start off on the exterior. Now, I've done a lot of modifications so far, a lot of minor modifications. I'm about making minor adjustments for big improvements, right? That's what I'm about. Not really, it just sounded good in this part of the video. So a lot of people gave me a lot of cheese and crackers for this one, but other people thought it was sick, and that's the wind visor. Now, if you look at the truck, it looks a lot better in my opinion. It shows a little bit more tire, it shows a little bit more of what you got going on underneath the truck, and in my opinion, it looks just more aggressive, a little bit cooler, even though I got these small pizza cutter wheels. Staying on the outside of the truck for now because it is extremely hot, and I feel like if I go inside the truck, well, then I'll end up like a baked potato. The bed cover. This thing is a miracle worker. If you have one, go out and just say thank you. Like, as you're walking by, like, thank you, bed cover, I appreciate you. Because you don't understand. I've had 3 other Tacomas and I never got a bed cover because it was always one of those things that I'll get to. I'll do it later. I don't really need it right now. But since I got it, since Sandy finally convinced me to get it, it is a life changer. Like, you have no space back here and you just need a little bit more storage. You decided not to get a 4Runner because you needed the truck bed, because you needed a little bit more space for groceries, and with the bed cover, it's solved. It is literally a must. Now it's time to face the thing I have not been wanting to face, and that's, well, we gotta get inside the truck. Oh my goodness. That is a very big spider. It looks like it's ready to jump at any moment, so we're gonna go on this side of the truck for now. So number 4, 5, I think we're on number 6. You're looking at this modification. This modification saved me so much trouble, so much hassle in my last Tacoma, because if you don't know, I had this very annoying farting noise that would happen whenever I would move my seats around. But the armrest, the center armrest, it's not a very soft material. If you're sitting driving and you have your elbow there, I mean, anything over 5 to 6 minutes, you're gonna get a nasty rash on your elbow of discomfort. It's not the most comfortable thing. I purchased this on my last Tacoma and it was a game changer. You literally cannot live without it because it just makes driving that much more comfortable. Over there, you can see we got the soft touch. Okay, it's soft, it's nice. If this was big enough, I could sleep on it. Your left elbow, or if you're driving, your right elbow isn't getting the same love, and it's just not okay. So I recommend this. If you don't have it, you need to get it. Some people get them with like their logo, some people get it with a design. I think just the stock one is more than enough. It does what it needs to do, and it's awesome. Alrighty, so moving on to number 13, we got storage declutteration. Is that a word? It keeps you in check, it keeps you organized, and I recommend this very much to anyone who is like me, because, well, you know yourself. I know myself. I will try to keep it clean. I'll try to stay organized, and it'll last all of 2 minutes. So I'm giving you guys a 2-in-1. I could say glove box and then center console, but you know, your boy's not cheaping out on you guys today. Like, literally, as I got the truck, I was like, babe, I'm not gonna buy it because why? I bought it on the other truck. I'll just stay clean. I'll save myself some money. Literally, on the way home, it was already full of clutter. Sandy had shaving razors. I don't understand, but this is a must. Dude, they're literally still in here. It keeps everything nice and organized, so if you need it, you can find it. If you don't need it, it shouldn't be in there, and that's what I like about it. Over here, this is a 2-part system. You can keep some money up here, some chapstick that is probably absolutely melted. Oh, no, it's not. It's actually holding up well. And then underneath, you got 6 different compartments made up of whatever you would like. So far, so good. I think these are must. Very, very, very much a must. And of course, we saved the best for last. Now, I've given you guys a lot of value in today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. But for the 70-second mod in today's video, oh snap, I completely forgot about the spider. If it jumps into the truck, I'm so screwed. I won't get in the truck. I will sell it right now as is. The LED lights. I don't know. Call me crazy. At first, I thought it was a gimmick. I thought, who even upgrades lighting? What is lighting upgrades? Like, why would you need to do this? I do have a girlfriend. I don't know, whenever I say that, I feel like I'm such a dweeb, right? Like I have to bring up, oh, he's cool. But she brought it up to me and she told me, what about, can we change the lights? Now me as a guy, I never thought about it. But me as a guy, now that I have it, it's a must. As a guy, you can do more guy things. Like you can look around and you can find the things that you lost. Especially right here, it lets her see herself a little bit better, but it also lets you see yourself a little bit better. Why is the camera shaking? Get it together. Well, with that being said, I hope you guys... You see that shadow? It just scared me. I thought somebody was walking up on me. Well, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed all 932 modifications that I showed you in this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what the first 5 modifications you did. 5 first must-have modifications that you did. I think these are pretty good. I definitely encourage every single one of you guys to get them if you haven't, because, well, for me, it's made my truck a whole lot better. I definitely recommend them, but I'm sure I missed a bunch. Let me know down below what were the first 5 must-have modifications that you did. But with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.